Hello YouTube, it is that time again. We are going away, so we have a packing video, ta-da, and a cat. Hi. So we are going to Krakow. We are going on Wednesday through to Sunday, but we come back quite early on the Sunday, so it's only about 4 days. So we don't really need a hell of a lot, and to be honest, it's been an interesting week, so I can't be bothered with packing anything too detailed because, yeah, if I've not got it by this point, I don't care, and I'll figure it out when I get there. So, important stuff. As long as I have this, the rest of this doesn't really matter. I have got my passport, I have got our spending money, and I've also got a printout confirmation of our hotel. Now, this is an EasyJet holiday that we are going on, so it is the hotel and the flight that were booked together. So that's why I need a printout of it, just to kind of make sure and just so I've got a copy of it should anything happen. So that's the important stuff. Above and beyond that, this bit doesn't really matter. At least that's the way I'm kind of looking at it. I have got a spare t-shirt dress. I'm going to be wearing one on the flight, and I will take one with me. I really like these. I find these really comfortable. Back on our Bologna video, someone was getting a bit kind of grouchy about it. They're like, oh, you scruffs going around Europe in a t-shirt and leggings? No. This is a t-shirt dress. Where is this one from? One of the ones I'm taking with me is from Monkey. This is from H&M. These are what I wear to work in the office, so they are nice looking. It's not just walking around in a t-shirt, so calm down, trolls at the back, it's all good. T-shirt dress. To go with it, I've got a pair of leggings. They don't take up much space, and yeah, they go with most things. So leggings and a t-shirt dress, wear one on the flight, take a spare pair with me. I have got a spare bra top. Again, I will wear one on the flight and I will take one with me. Should I need to wash it, I've then got a spare. Like I say, we're there for 4 days, so we should be absolutely fine washing these and getting them dry. Plus it's going to be like 18 degrees, 20 degrees there, so it will be fine. I've also got 2 pairs of pants. Now, I have found some lovely ones. Where are we? Oh yeah, lovely pants to take with me. But it means that I can take them with me, I can wash them, I can wear them, and then at the end of the day I don't have to bring them home with me, and it saves me a bit of space in this, the bag, not the cat. It saves me some space and I can put something else in there. Now, changing from black everything, I've got 1 pair of black socks and a pair of Hello Kitty socks. And the reason I'm taking these is exactly the same. They've got kind of holes in them. So by the end of the holiday, if I'm walking around a lot, then it means that I can wear them to death and then I can leave them behind. So, socks. Again, I'll be wearing a pair of pants and I'll be wearing a pair of socks. That's 3 pairs in total, 3 pairs for 4 days. So I will be absolutely fine washing some and having them dry in time. I've also got here a face mask because our flight is at 6:40 in the morning, so it means that I can put this on the flight along with my earplugs, and hopefully I can sleep for the flight. So it's only about 2.5 hours, it's not long, but at the same time if I can sleep through it, that would be amazing. What else have I got? Speaking of travel, I do tend to get travel sick these days, which is really irritating. I'm not quite sure why, it seems to be getting worse, but there we go. Travel sickness tablets are, at the moment, unfortunately, an essential for me. I've got my wee bag here, which I kind of put all this in, so I might as well pack it as I go. There's that. Crystal deodorant, because it's solid, it's all fine, and you've not got to worry about it liquid-wise, plus it's really, really good. I really like that one. I have got some lip balm. I have got such a tiny bit to go. I've told Leo, do not take lip balm because, yeah, we need to use this up. So hopefully that will not come home with us and you will not see it in yet another video. An ear pick cleaning thing, because if I'm going to be wearing earplugs then my ears get really itchy, so I can use that rather than taking cotton wool buds with us. What else goes in here? Ibuprofen and paracetamol, just in case. You never know, good for headaches or whatever. I've got a little stand for the camera, which is currently you. I'm not taking my big stand. I'm not taking my laptop. Like I said, I've got to the point with this week where I'm like, I don't care anymore. Let's just get it over with. I just want to be there. So I'm just taking a little one. I'm not taking anything too involved, and I'll just edit the videos when I get home, which means you'll just have to wait. I'm sorry. Also, because we've been feeling quite run down recently, I am taking some multivitamins with us. I normally wouldn't bother, but yeah, hopefully they'll help us feel a bit human, along with having some time away to just relax and see a new place will get us back on track. Let's put them in there. Okay, so, oh, and a pen. I always take a pen just in case for writing postcards, for writing notes on things. Pen. That goes in this bag of goodies. Okay, so in here I have got 2 spoons, just for when we're out and about. We do have a plan to do a day trip, so we are going to take a packed lunch. Leo has the rest of that, so I have the spoons. I've got a tub of mints for the flight. So sometimes when I feel sick, it's just that I need something like sweet and sugary, so hopefully that will do the job if the tablets don't. As I mentioned before, our flight is at 6:40, so this is breakfast. We might have it on the flight, we might have it when we get there. Gigi has been like a huge fan of these packets. I don't quite know why. Hi. But flapjack. This is a pistachio flavoured one, which is amazing. Hi. So yeah, definitely check these out if you haven't already. What else do we have? Oh, okay. My typical thing of, what are they called? Handkerchiefs. 2 handkerchiefs, wash one, spare one for blowing noses, wrapping things up in, whatever you need them to do, because they're washable and they're fantastic. I love my handkerchiefs. I've also got a face cloth for washing in general. Now, the reason why I've only got a washcloth and I've not taken, you know, shampoo, soap, all of these things, is because there's always soap at the hotels. Always. And we always end up coming home with the stuff. So there's no point me taking stuff with me when the hotel will ultimately have it. And if they don't, then we'll just go buy it. It's not the end of the world. What else have we got? Oh, this is my wallet. It's got English money and my card in it. It's just something that doesn't take up much space. It can fold up if needs be. That is my wallet for the trip. I've got a tote bag for when we go food shopping, because we will go food shopping, and also it saves me carrying like this big bag around all the time. I can just carry that instead. I've got my water bottle for carrying water with us and drinks, so that we don't have to buy loads of drinks while we're out and about. We can just take it with us. So that's always a good one. Plus, in Edinburgh Airport, you can refill these. So when we get through security, we can fill it up with Scottish water and we can take it on the flight with us, so that we don't need to buy drinks on the flight, which is always good. And last but not least, I've got a book. A cat-themed book. And yeah, just in case, you know, you never know if you're going to get stuck in the airport with time to wait, or we might just sit in a cafe and relax and read a book. But here we go. I have the book. So there we go. That is everything I am packing, except Gigi. Gigi is not being packed, unfortunately, but he does love a bag. So there we go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because there will be up and coming videos from Poland. And if you want to give us a bit of support, head on over to Patreon and you'll get extra things over there. But thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and we will see you soon. Bye.